beautiful people, is your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. My ogbonge people, today topic now about one guy. I say one of my followers send me one video. I can't say I check the video. So as I check now say what's in my eye see I think shoptalize me. I see say that they celebrate one guy, he go Nigeria, that they celebrate his birthday. If you see the cake when he doing, this guy na big guy for Nigeria. So when we see the cake when he do, I see the way he live for Nigeria. He live big, like seriously, you know. So the one we come shoptalize me be say people come they say this guy make money. Why he make this money so? Very big guy. Now if he make this money so, people come they say no say they don't know say suffer the Europe like that, you know. People don't know how he make the money, but they say you know why I want to do this video be say make if people all those our Nigeria guys, some of them when they come Nigeria, more than they look at they say make money. This guy after they come show the birthday. If anybody will need a video share, if he private chat me, I will send them for him. Not be when I come say make I look the video way. Now I come say they show the bed, then they come show work where this boy they do, my people. When I know the work where this guy they do, Ogbonisan, all those guys where Oyibo go they jogo do they from back. Now this guy they do, my people. I shoptalize 10 times when I see him. This one not be saying a film trick. I don't know who go bring the video come out whether the Oyibo or me, I don't know. If I see the video, Oyibo just the jogo do one for back. Ogbonisan down. Now this guy be. Now he just they do for Europe till they make money. My people. Like sometimes the thing go they shocktalize me say, what did they worry our people? What they be on a problem? So does it mean say una no fit also again, una work genuine money again? So say na Oyibo con the jogodo you for back. Now you say they make money. Hey, not the way Musa no go see for ghetto. Not the way Musa, if not be say YouTube not they allow that kind of video for put am on the thing una go shocktalize. Una go shocktalize say things dey this world though. Things dey this world. What you never see, you never will carry there. What you never see, you never will carry there. Come see the way Oyibo they amara. Oyibo come John Thomas. They amara. If you not see and una go shocktalize. Now this guy just they do till they make money. Who just see am for that Nigeria way that they don't know say na pampers evil here. Say Inyash do vandalize finish. I shocktalize when I see him. So my ogbonge people. Why they do this video be say more and more they look person again and not look and say because this person they make money you never make, you can't they look down on yourself. No do am more. Just try make you find out how this person they make this money before your eye go they enter another person money. You understand? See the way this guy now they make money. Who see this kind of person now go they feel say he na big guy but they don't know say na Ogbonisan. Ogbonisan. You need to see the way body Andorra. You need to see him. The thing shocktalize me. My people. Nothing way Musa no go see forget. Nothing way Musa no go see forget. I just tell you now, I say make I can't do more see wetin some of our Nigeria boys they do for Europe. I remember one certain time where Monica they do this kind of video for all those our boys. They see many of them they call. This one say nothing they do. The other one go say nothing. They say does it mean say this shorty one until they cover eye? Now this jogodo of it now they go they do some of you now. So does it mean some of they deceive us? Because so I hear that I say some of our boys when they do this shorty and this jogodo of 18 and they do. My people, I beg, more na wise I say I see this video, I shocktalize 10 times. Say, So does it mean that this thing, some of our boys they do, all because of money, all because I want to make money pass your neighbor. I want to make money pass this my friend. Maybe they feel say now you make money pass. So now this thing some of una they do. Yeah, not the way Musa no go see forget really. Not the way Musa no go see forget. So you missing at this thing una they do. My people, I fear when I see this thing, I fear. I say, ma I can't update una, mona see the latest again no. Eh? The thing shockalize me. So this thing many people they do. People, this video it don't go too long. Now so I want just do this video rich really. The thing I just the verse. Like seriously, I the verse. Say so una go just they make money. I say if una see birthday when it do, if una see the cake. You know, some people will come they say, how did they make this money? How did they make this money? See money. The one of them go they say they want to enter Europe. I want to enter Europe. I want to enter Europe. But I not go know say that the work what they do like be this one. Una not go know. Just see work now where this one do now. Not know he say now this work bonus and in the do. Una see matter. Una see matter. Eh? Una see matter. That's what some of our girls for here. They go use and take shop at Duro finish. They'll begin to practice woman to woman. They'll begin to practice them. They'll begin to do them. You know, what one they enjoy for that thing? What one they enjoy? So John Thomas don't just finish for our side now. Bakers don't finish now. Now man, now comes the sweets now. Man. Yeah. I fear will not fear people. I fear will not fear people really. I fear will. Say that man to man now. Now I can the sweet people now. Man, hey. So bakers now don't finish for everywhere now. So does it mean say people don't feel work now? And now lazy men go even the reason that kind of thing to do. Lazy men. Now only lazy men go fit do that kind of thing. Because a man we get they get leg, you know, go feel walk, genuine walk. So that this work, if not because we expose this one and a video don't fall outside now. Who for no say na waiting in the do not be this one, my people. I go put a picture for the tons, the mona see, mona just see, mona see mo. So that make una let una sister go marry this kind of person because now bonus now he be you don't enter his blood though. Now he be So now just to make I do this topic, man tell our people, I beg. If una see this kind of mona run for am. Mona run for am, my people. So thank you everybody. Take until I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you. Bye. Share this video for me. Let the video go viral.